Hello children, today I am going to explain chapter number 5, lines and angles. Continuation with the part 1 and part 2 videos. Today I am going to explain exercise number 5.1. Coming to the first problem, let us see the first problem. Find the complementary of each of the following angles. Here we have 3 bits children. First bit, they are asking you to find out the complementary of 20 degrees, 63 degrees and 57 degrees. Let us see how to find out the complementary of 20 degrees. Complementary angle, how will you find out? Sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees. The two angles we are calling it as complementary angles. So complementary of 20 degrees will become 90 degrees minus 20 degrees, which is equal to 70 degrees. Coming to second bit, 90 degrees minus 63 degrees, which is equal to 27 degrees. Coming to third one, complementary of 57 degrees is 90 degrees minus 57 degrees, which is equal to 33 degrees. Let us see second question children. Find the supplementary of each of the following angles. What are supplementary angles children? If sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degrees, the two angles we are calling it as supplementary angles. Coming to the first bit, here first bit they have given 105 degrees, second bit they have given 87 degrees and the third one is 154 degrees. Let us find the supplementary of 105 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 105 degrees, which is equal to 75 degrees. So supplementary of 105 degrees is 75 degrees. Coming to second bit, 180 degrees minus 87 degrees is equal to 93 degrees. Coming to third one, 180 degrees minus 154 degrees is equal to 26 degrees. So supplementary angle of 54 degrees is 26 degrees. 154 degrees is 26 degrees. Coming to third bit children, identify which are complementary and supplementary. Let us check this one. 65 degrees plus 115 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. So these two angles are supplementary angles. Coming to here, 63 degrees plus 27 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. So 63 degrees and 27 degrees are complementary angles. Let us see fourth question here. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. I need to find the angle which is equal to its complement. I don't know what is the angle we have to take. Children, you already learned in simple equations, if any unknown number is there, for that we have to take a variable. So let me take that angle as, let the angle be x degrees. Okay. Here what they have given in the question, for this angle, complementary angle is also the same angle. So complementary of x is again x degrees is again x degrees. If two angles are complementary angles, their sum should be equal to 90 degrees. So what happens here? Therefore, x degrees plus x degrees is equal to 90 degrees. X degrees plus x degrees is 2x degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Transpose 2 to right hand side. So x degrees is equal to 90 by 2, which is equal to 45 degrees. So x degrees is equal to 45 degrees. So what we can conclude here, the angle which is equal to its complementary angle is 45 degrees. Let us see fifth question now children. Find the angle which is equal to its supplementary. Like previous problem, before problem we used to find out which is equal to its complementary. Now we are finding which is equal to its supplementary. So let similarly let the angle be x degrees. So which is equal to its supplementary. So supplementary of x is again equal to x degrees is equal to x degrees. When can you say the two angles are supplementary? The sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So x degrees plus x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. X degrees plus x degrees is 2x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So x degrees will become 180 by 2, which is equal to 90 degrees. So the angle which is equal to its supplementary is 90 degrees. Coming to sixth problem, children. Here they have given angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. Let us see the question. If angle 1 decreases, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that they still remain supplementary? So, if angle 1 reduces, here clearly angle 1 is an obtuse angle and angle 2 is an acute angle. If you reduce angle 1, angle 2 is increasing or not? So, what changes you can observe for angle 2 here? If angle 1 reduces, angle 2 will be increased. Coming to seventh problem, children. Let us see the question. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? If both angles are acute, the sum should be equal to become they are supplementary, the sum should be equal to 180 degrees. Let us see with one example. Let us take 89 degrees plus 89 degrees, which is equal to 178 degrees, less than 180 degrees. So sum of the two acute angles is less than 180 degrees. So what we can conclude? No, two acute angles cannot be supplementary. Now coming to obtuse angles, let us take 91 degrees plus 91 degrees, which is equal to 182 degrees, which is greater than 180 degrees. Clearly here also we can say that two obtuse angles cannot be supplementary. Coming to the third one, two right angles we need to take. What are right angles, children? 90 degrees plus 90 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Clearly two right angles are supplementary angles. Coming to eighth question, children. An angle is greater than 45 degrees. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45 degrees? Let us solve this question. Let the complementary angles are x, y. Since x and y are complementary angles, what we can do? X plus y is equal to 90 degrees. First, what they have given, an angle is greater than 45 degrees. For this I am taking, let x, angle x is greater than 45 degrees. I need to show that either y is greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45. Let us check this one. Let x is greater than 45 degrees. I can add angle y on both sides. Then what happens? X plus y is greater than 45 degrees plus y. And what we have? Since x and y are complementary angles, x plus y is equal to 90 degrees. So x plus y I can replace with 90 degrees, which is greater than 45 degrees plus y. I can transpose this 45 degrees to this side. So 90 degrees plus 45 degrees. So plus 45 will become minus 45 degrees here, which is greater than y. 90 degrees minus 45 degrees is 45 degrees is greater than angle y, which implies angle y is less than 45 degrees. If one angle is greater than 45 degrees, its complementary angle is less than 45